Shri Krishna viewers, good evening. Welcome to Nifty Astrology. As you all know, on this channel we share a time frame with you for the next trading day, and that is based on Sarvatobhadra Chakra and ephemeris calculation. I hope this time frame what we are sharing with you, that is useful for you. We also share a range for you so that you can just have an idea in the market may revolve in this range only, and accordingly you can take your trades. So let's start the video and start our discussion for tomorrow. How the day will be. I'll be sharing time frame with you, range with you, so that it is helpful for you tomorrow also. So first of all, we'll talk about the Nifty, then Bank Nifty, then other sectors, Asian and European markets, and then I'll be giving you our time frame. So first of all, Nifty today when opened, it was opened at 15,067, and it was in a upward movement only and overall if you'll see, there was a range of 94 points for the Nifty today, and it gave a closing of 185 points positive at 15,108. That is a good indication, and good indication for the bullishness sign. If you'll see, yesterday when Nifty closed at 14,923, we were expecting 15,050 as a resistance for it, but today when it opened with a gap up only, 15,050 became its support, and it is now trending. It gave respect to 15,100 level, and it gave a closing at 15,108. So that also indicate a market is positive, and this 15,050, which was a good resistance for the Nifty, that is already crossed, and now it is acting as a support with overall such a good movement. If you'll see, Reliance and HDFC Bank today, they played a crucial role, and they were able to maintain the index at this particular level. This we will discuss further also. Overall, Nifty gave a closing of 185 points plus, and percentage wise if we'll see, it is 1.24%. Now we'll talk about the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opened with a gap up of 441 points at 33,928, and crossed 34,000 level, and had faced a consolidation today, and it was revolving around 34,000 only, but finally gave closing at 33,922, and which is 463 points positive, and in percentage wise it is 1.38%. This was about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we'll talk about the other sectors. In other sectors, if you'll see, today auto stocks were shining very gratefully, and today if you'll see, PSU banks, they were facing the downfall, and they gave a closing of 1.3% downfall. Nifty Pharma and Nifty FMCG, though they opened with a good opening, but then too also they were not able to sustain, and they also faced a sharp fall, and of like the percentage change, if you'll see, it is 0.2 percentage change they have faced. If I'll talk about the Asian markets, Asian market and European market, both are green. Like morning when it opened, it was green, and European market, when our Indian market was about to close, it was also green. So overall, global markets are also positive. Indian market is also showing positive trend. So overall, you can say the market trend is positive right now, and go in the flow of the market. Okay, if you are holding any put position, if you get a chance, please don't hold that position further, and try to book or try to exit from that position. Now I'll share time frame for you. 9:15 to 11:30. It's a mixed trend, both upside and downside movement you can see. If you get a chance to exit from your position in profit, please go ahead. Next is 11:30 to 12:30. It is positive trend. 12:30 to 3:30, it will be mixed to positive. Okay, I hope you all have written everything. Now range, if I'll tell for Nifty, the range is 15,200 से 14,900, and for Bank Nifty the range is 34,500 to 33,500. Okay, so time frame and Nifty range I have written. Now this as I always say in my video, my calculations are astro based, time frame calculation are astro based, but during live market we follow astro and technical both. That is all, that way only we give support to our premium members also. So I'm not telling you only follow astro, follow the technicals also in the live market. Astro is just giving you an overview, technical will actually support you and take the calls during live market. So today whatever points I am telling you, bullishness, so as per astro it is indicating, and as per technical and what other factors are there which is indicating the market is positive. First one is it's 15,050 resistance, which is now converted to 15,000 and which is now converted as a support for the market. That is the first good indication of bullishness. Next is in next coming week we have SBI results to be announced. Though today SBI was weak, but we are expecting if results are there from the SBI end, so there are chances the Bank Nifty can show a good move. So accordingly the Nifty will also show a good move. Okay, next is next support what we are expecting in Nifty is 14,900 will be like good support, because unless and until if it breaks 15,000 level, it will be acting as a very good support. But as per the other condition, we are expecting it will go ahead only, and 15,200 to 300 in Nifty. Next is, if you'll see in call option contracts today, though Nifty was stable, there was no movement, but then too also the premium was going high. So this also indicates okay, though premium was though Nifty was stable, but then too also movement was upward movement was seen in the option contracts. This also indicates the market is in the positive time frame, positive. Next is if SBI results also comes good, this will also add on a fuel to this race. So I hope these are some points what I have just jotted down. If you have any feedback, you can just convey your feedback to me also, so that I can also do my research and adding your views in that. Okay, so my request to you all is please go with the flow of the market. Okay, right now the flow is for bullishness, so be in that flow only, then only you will be able to make a profit. If you all are interested for premium group or newsletter of Financial Kundli, I am writing my WhatsApp number or if you have any other stock related query, or if you want to ask anything, you can just send me WhatsApp on my personal number. This number I'll be handling, so I'll definitely revert you on that. Thank you so much and have a great and safe trading day tomorrow. Jai Shri Krishna.